Only 3 ingredients and you get cookies like this. Here's all you need: 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 egg, and all the ingredients will be in the description of the video. Add the peanut butter to a mixing bowl. Add the sugar and crack in 1 egg. Combine all ingredients in 1 bowl. Mix until everything is smooth and fully combined. Mix until smooth. Roll the dough into small balls and place them on a baking tray. Use a fork to gently press them down and make that classic crisscross pattern. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for about 10 minutes. Take them out and let them cool for a few minutes. They'll firm up as they sit, and that's it. 3 ingredients, super easy. Peanut butter cookies done. If you want more quick recipes like this, follow for the next one.